What if one small tool could save you time, effort, and frustration every single day? In this video, we're revealing clever inventions you probably didn't know existed, but will instantly want. These tools solve everyday problems in smart ways, and some of them are seriously genius. Stick around, because the last one is unbelievable. Number 15. Magnetic wristband for screws. This simple magnetic wristband solves the eternal problem of dropped screws and hardware during projects. Strong embedded magnets hold dozens of fasteners securely while you work. The adjustable strap fits any wrist size comfortably. The breathable fabric prevents sweating during extended use. Multiple magnets distribute around the entire band, maximizing holding capacity. This works perfectly for electricians, plumbers, mechanics, and DIY enthusiasts. No more crawling around, searching for dropped screws in awkward spaces. The hands-free design keeps both hands available for actual work. Many professionals report this becoming essential for ladder work and tight spaces. The magnets remain strong enough to hold even through gloves. Number 14. Self-adjusting wire strippers. These automatic wire strippers eliminate the guesswork from electrical work through ingenious spring-loaded jaws. The tool automatically adjusts to wire gauge, preventing damage to conductors. Simple squeeze and pull motion strips insulation cleanly every time. The hardened steel cutting edges remain sharp through thousands of strips. Multiple wire gauges from 10 to 24 AOWG work perfectly. The ergonomic handles reduce hand fatigue during repetitive stripping. Built-in wire cutters handle cutting duties without switching tools. A crimper section addresses terminal installation needs. The precision ground stripping holes ensure consistent results. Number 13. Telescoping magnet pickup tool. This extending magnetic retrieval tool rescues dropped fasteners from impossible locations, saving countless hours of frustration. The telescoping shaft extends from 7 inches to over 30 inches, reaching deep spaces. A powerful neodymium magnet on the tip lifts up to 8 pounds. The flexible shaft section bends around obstacles and corners. The cushioned grip handle provides comfortable control during retrieval. A belt clip enables convenient carrying between jobs. The magnet remains permanently attached, eliminating the common problem of losing magnetic tips. This proves essential for automotive work appliance repair and machinery maintenance. Number 12. Laser distance measurer. This compact laser measuring device replaces traditional tape measures with instant accurate digital measurements. Point the laser at any surface and receive measurements up to 100 feet instantly. The backlit LCD display shows distances clearly in multiple units. Built-in memory stores previous measurements for reference. Area and volume calculations happen automatically through simple button presses. The Pythagorean function calculates indirect measurements around obstacles. Continuous measurement mode updates readings as you move. The compact size fits comfortably in shirt pockets. A tripod mount enables hands-free operation for complex measurements. Number 11. Ratcheting screwdriver. This ingenious screwdriver combines ratcheting action with quick change bits, creating the ultimate fastener driving tool. The 3-position ratchet mechanism offers forward, reverse, and locked settings. Magnetic bit retention keeps tips secure during use. A full set of common bits stores in the ergonomic handle. The cushioned grip reduces hand fatigue during extended driving. Quick release collar enables one-handed bit changes. The compact design fits standard tool pouches and belts. Chrome vanadium steel bits resist stripping and wear. The ratcheting action dramatically increases driving speed in tight spaces. No more removing and repositioning your hand constantly. Number 10. Digital caliper. This precision digital caliper measures objects accurately to 1/1000th of an inch, revealing dimensions invisible to rulers. The large LCD display shows measurements clearly in inches or millimeters. 4 measurement modes include outside-inside depth and step measurements. The smooth sliding jaw action operates with minimal friction. A locking screw holds measurements for transfer. Zero setting at any position enables relative measurements. The stainless steel construction resists corrosion and wear. A protective case keeps the tool safe between uses. Number 9. Right angle drill attachment. This clever attachment transforms standard drills into right angle drivers, accessing impossible spaces effortlessly. The 90-degree gear head redirects rotation around tight corners. Standard keyless chuck accepts any drill or driver bit. The compact head measures just 3 inches, allowing work between studs and joists. Reinforced gears handle significant torque without slipping. The hex shank fits any drill chuck securely. Multiple gear ratios provide speed options for different applications. This proves essential for plumbing, electrical work, and cabinetry installation. Drilling between floor joists becomes simple instead of requiring specialized tools. Number 8. Stud finder with deep scan. This advanced stud finder locates hidden framing through multiple detection technologies, ensuring secure mounting every time. Edge detection mode identifies both sides of studs for precise center marking. Center scan mode finds stud centers directly. Deep scan mode penetrates up to 1.5 inches, finding studs behind thick materials. Metal scan mode locates pipes wiring and rebar, preventing dangerous drilling. AC wire detection warns of live electrical before drilling. The multicolor LCD screen displays clear target information. Audio alerts confirm detection without watching the display. A built-in level ensures straight installations. Number 7. Automatic center punch. This spring-loaded punch creates perfect drill starting dimples without hammering through clever internal mechanics. Press the tool against your mark and the internal spring releases automatically. The hardened steel tip creates consistent dimples every time. Adjustable tension settings accommodate different materials. The knurled body provides secure grip even with oily hands. A pocket clip enables convenient carrying. No hammering means single-handed operation in awkward positions. This prevents drill bits from walking across surfaces. The automatic action works faster than traditional hammer punches. Machinists appreciate the consistent depth for precision work. This works perfectly for metal fabrication, automotive work, and machinery repair. Number 6. Flexible shaft screwdriver extension. This bendable extension shaft reaches around obstacles, driving fasteners in previously inaccessible locations ingeniously. The flexible core bends up to 90 degrees, maintaining torque transfer. Quarter-inch hex socket accepts any standard driver bit. The 12-inch length extends reach dramatically. The shaft holds, bends, allowing hands-free operation in complex positions. A magnetic tip retains screws during positioning. The steel cable core resists kinking and breaking. This proves essential for automotive engine work, appliance repair, and furniture assembly. Fasteners hidden behind components become reachable without disassembly. Number 5. Headlamp with motion sensor. This hands-free lighting solution combines powerful illumination with gesture controls, creating the ultimate work light. Wave your hand to turn the light on or off without touching controls. Multiple brightness levels adjust to task requirements. A red LED mode preserves night vision. The rechargeable battery provides hours of runtime. The adjustable elastic headband fits comfortably over hats or bare heads. A tilting lamp head aims light precisely where needed. The motion sensor eliminates fumbling with buttons using dirty or gloved hands. The wide beam flood mode illuminates entire work areas. Spot mode focuses light for detailed tasks. This works perfectly for automotive repair, plumbing, electrical work, and camping. Number 4. Socket Organizer Rail System. This magnetic socket storage system transforms chaotic toolboxes into organized, efficient workspaces through simple design. Color-coded rails indicate socket drive size at a glance. Spring-loaded ball detents hold sockets securely without clips. Magnetic backing adheres to toolboxes and metal surfaces. The compact rails store both metric and SAE sizes efficiently. Clear size markings simplify socket selection during work. The low-profile design maximizes drawer space utilization. Sockets slide on and off smoothly with one hand. The visual organization shows missing sockets immediately. This works perfectly for professional mechanics and home workshops alike. Many users report never losing sockets again after installing these. Number 3. Adjustable basin wrench. This specialized plumbing wrench reaches impossible spaces behind sinks, tightening faucet nuts that defeat standard tools. The extending shaft telescopes from 10 to 17 inches, adjusting to different sink depths. The spring-loaded jaws grip nuts automatically when pressure applies. The rotating head positions at any angle, accessing nuts from multiple directions. The cushioned grip handle provides leverage in cramped spaces. A built-in basin nut socket addresses the most common faucet fastener. The jaw mechanism self-adjusts to nut size, eliminating manual adjustment. Homeowners appreciate installing faucets without professional help. The long shaft reaches nuts completely hidden behind sink backs. Number 2. Infrared thermometer gun. This non-contact temperature measuring device reveals heat patterns invisible to touch through infrared sensing technology. Point the laser at any surface and receive instant temperature readings. The measurement range spans from -50 to over 1000 degrees Fahrenheit. The large backlit display shows temperatures clearly in multiple units. A data hold function freezes readings for recording. Adjustable emissivity settings improve accuracy on different materials. The ergonomic pistol grip feels comfortable during extended use. HVAC technicians use these locating air leaks and duct problems. Electricians identify overheating components before failures occur. This works perfectly for cooking automotive diagnostics and home energy audits. Number 1. Oscillating multi-tool. This versatile power tool tackles dozens of applications through rapid oscillating action and interchangeable accessories. The side-to-side motion cuts, sands, scrapes, and grinds in tight spaces. Quick change blade systems enable tool swaps in seconds. Variable speed control optimizes performance for different materials. Cutting blades slice through wood, metal, drywall, and plastic. Sanding pads smooth surfaces in corners, inaccessible to orbital sanders. Scraper blades remove grout caulk and adhesive efficiently. The compact head accesses spaces defeating larger tools.